Right, we are walking along the Bangkok Forest Skywalk. Can we say that in Thai, Joy? Sawanpa.
เบญจกิติ
Sawanpa Bangkok. Alright. So we are facing east, and to my left, which is north, that's the city rooftop view of Sukhumvit. Look at that blue sky. So the Skywalk is an extension of the original Bangkok Park, added to the west side. The area was once where all the tobacco factories were situated. And somehow during the lockdown of COVID, they managed to establish all this, because prior to that it was factories, old factory sites.